Bunny na siya ay isang estudyanteng makinig. Pero dahil sa pinagdaanan nila ng kanyang asawa, unti-unting namaon ang kanyang boses. Kahit oo, maibigay kaya ni Bunny ang karapat-dapat sa performance.
Teaching me how to love, showing me what the world means, what I've been dreaming of, and now I know there is nothing that I could not do, thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no pain, no heartache, no heartbreak, no constant break can't stop me from believing that my love will see me through. Thanks to you, thanks to you, for teaching me how to live. Putting things in perspective, showing me how to give and how to shake all the mistakes we were put together. It's up right now, forgive me, but it's true that all you making with the love up in inside. Thanks to you. Thanks to you.
And thank you also, Bunny. Thank you. Let's hear from Miss Grace.
Bonnie, maganda naman yung delivery mo, kaya lang wala akong nakitang uniqueness dun sa style ng pagkanta mo ng song na yon. Parang, alam mo yung sa banda, kung sa banda, parang magaling siya sa pwesto, ganun. Pero you're already in a bigger stage, so kailangan hanapan mo ng sarili mong interpretasyon ng kanta para to stand out. Kasi kundi, masyadong malakas ang labanan dito, maiiwan ka. Kailangan yun ang i-concentrate mo sa susunod. Pero overall naman, you delivered well. Kaya lang yun nga, kailangan isipin mo na yun kasi nandito ka na sa Pinoy Dream Academy.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat, Miss Grace. So, kailangan natin hanapan ng edge para mag-stand out. Maraming salamat din sa iyo, Bunny. Thank you. You may now go back. Ngayon naman ipapalikan natin ang mga hamong hinarap ng susunod na scholar. Sorry ka panurin.
So I sing.
Sa loob ng academy, itinuturo kay Shivas ang tamang pagbigkas at tamang buwelo. Pero sa mga nakaraang oras ay hindi siya nakapag-ensayo dahil sa pagkakasakit. Malampasan kaya niya ang hamon ng pagkanta kay di pupusan ang ensayo.
So I sing this blue and circle nothing to the song I just wrote yesterday. And I hope you can hear what the words and the music have said. So I sing beautifully and circle nothing to brush back the hair from your eyes. And the love on your face, so real, celebrate, wanna cry. And I know that my song isn't saying anything new. Whoa, but after the loving, I'm still in love with you.
magandang klaseng performance. Pero pakinggan natin ang sasabihin ni Mr. Haji.
Shivas, kailangan ba ng tubig?
Okay lang po.
Alam mo, you should ang ganda considering na yun nga, may mga episodes kang gano'n, nakapag-deliver ka ngayon na maganda. Hindi ko lang nagustuhan the way you ended the song. Nagustuhan kung paano mo inumpisahan. Kaya lang parang humina ang dating nung patapos na you missed out on some notes. Ingatan mo yung mga end notes mo kasi wag mong basta-basta bibitawan. Mahalaga yan eh. But overall, I think you did a pretty good job. And I like the arreglo. Sanay ako nga pakinggan yung old version yan. Maganda rin pala yung pag medyo rock ng konti, bumagay sa'yo.
Maraming salamat, Chivas! Okay. You can now go back to the academy. Thank you, thank you, thank you.